Good morning. I again realized that I had not started my vlog yet. Oops. So we got here and the tarantula's foliage that has a suction cup against the side, it had fallen and she was hiding inside her little hidey hole. So we have fixed that and she's still hiding. So I'm just kind of like, she's been sprayed and everything, but we're like, come out, it's okay. We put your leaves back up. Oop, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Yeah, Nemo's here with us today.
Here, put him next to me.
Kissy, 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 kissy. Can you play me?
He's preening. He's just preening your hair.
Braid me. Braid me. Braid me. He's like, nope.
Braid me. Braid me.
Nope.
He says no.
Denied.
Can I stop?
Blues, broad stripes, and bright stars through the perilous fight. O'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming. In the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Play ball. All right, Mom and I are on a walk. Woohoo! It is nice out. The breeze is good. The sun is hot, but the breeze is nice. And I was just telling her, oh, there's a dog. I was just telling Mom that I'm in communication right now with a director of a movie, and Julian might be in a movie tomorrow, but I don't know. You know, you don't sometimes know until like the very last minute. All right, it's game time in the front room, and it's game time in the front yard.
There's lots of boys.
There are lots of boys outside running and chasing each other. All right, Julian's driving himself to rehearsal. Julian's gonna be in a movie tomorrow. Surprise! And Julian also got an in-person audition request for something on Monday that, no matter what, will be very fun for him to do, right?
It's so unbelievably secretive, they haven't even told us the name of it, so...
But he gets to flex his acting chops. Big time. Okay, I just have to share. I was listening to the radio. Oh, yeah, okay. Sorry about that. I was listening to the radio, and apparently there is a store called The Dump, and it's a furniture store. The Dump. Pretty sunset. Julian just ordered at a drive-thru while driving. Wow. The girl at the window had multicolored eyelashes, and they were like this long.
Every time I do this, I'm so thin it looks like I'm breaking my wrist.
We're taking a walk, and it's not even dark yet. We haven't done this for a while. when it was still light. And I didn't do the bird duties. My mom took Ethan, so there's no bird footage this evening. Sorry. All right, this is my final clip. So tomorrow, actually, I need to get people to go to bed pretty soon because Julian and I will have to leave pretty early-ish in the morning, and we'll probably get to battle rush hour traffic. Yeah. And so I'm kind of looking forward to that experience. We're like the last people to be added to this production. I have a feeling that somebody dropped out at the last minute. So yeah, he's just like being thrown into a movie. And should be fun. So until tomorrow.